Okay. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm by myself, and I'm headed to San Bernardino to ride with your boy, Baker X Eric. Stick around. Slug bug. Pow. Well, I got about an hour ride to San Bernardino. Currently, it's about 85 degrees where I'm at right now, and in San Bernardino, it's 100. All right, you guys ready for a challenge? I'm currently at 65,000 miles on this bike. I'm gonna continue riding this thing until it turns over 100,000 miles. 100,000 miles. I'm going for it. You guys think this bike's got enough life in it to hit the 100,000 mile mark? I think it does. While we're on our way to San Bernardino, let me introduce you to today's video's sponsors. Vikings War Clans. For those of you guys that have already been playing Vikings, you're already aware of the massive update. For those that haven't, well, now's the time to jump in. They finally just added new shamans and kingdoms. So really, this is the best time to join the action. What I recommend you guys try is the legendary in-game battle events of over 1 million players. Vikings really stands out with their HD 3D graphics and smooth gameplay. And the best part is, you get to choose your own play style. Build an indestructible fortress, or gather your friends. Build a fierce army together and conquer the world. You have to re-experience the excitement of the 90s and 2000s top games that we all miss. So try Vikings now. Install the game using my links in the description below and get 200 gold and protection shield for free. So if you guys appreciate these videos and you like the channel, you like the things that I'm doing, make sure you click the link in the description of this video. Show Vikings a little support since they support this channel. I'll catch you guys on the battlefield. Back to the video. I kind of like that color. Oh, me. Oh, man. I'm so pissed at myself. I go back home, man. I forgot my hat. I can't go anywhere without my hat. Man, I was like 15 minutes into this ride, too. What is talking about? When actions go and discussions changing nothing. Discussions changing nothing. To be honest, I'm kind of glad I forgot my hat. More content. You know how hard it is to get an interesting video past 10 minutes? Not easy. That's why I introduced you to the Bikini Girl. She helps me out a lot. If I can't get a video past 10 minutes, she's there to help. I don't think you guys mind, do you?
20 minutes later.
Goddamn neutral. For 1,000 miles, we'll see. I got a new camera set up, and I think this camera I'm using is jacked up, man. It keeps popping on and off. It's not good. All right, well, whatever. Let's go. Oh, it's so hot. For those of you that are familiar with Orange County, it's always 15, 20 degrees cooler than it is anywhere else in the region. I just got off the 241 to the 91, and it's definitely already 10 degrees warmer. It's a lot. I'm super hungry. I left it up to Derek to decide where we're gonna eat. I hope he picks a good spot. Sure he will, man. He's lived in that area for so long. He's got that place dialed in nicely for sure. Oh, come on. That sucks, dude. You know what? I don't know how this eating segment's gonna go. I don't show my face, and neither does Derek. So to be honest, I don't even know if I'm gonna have much of a video. I don't know, man. All I can do is try. See how it goes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You know what? I haven't come across a Prius in a long time. So if it stays that way. Spoke too soon. There's a culprit. So for those of you guys that are following my Instagram, you guys know how dead set I am getting a dirt bike. Well, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna get a dirt bike. However, don't worry, this channel is gonna absolutely stay the same. But I got a new channel for those of you guys that are interested. I figure a lot of you guys won't be, but whatever. One of my favorite bridges. There's a train going over it too. Should be kind of funny for a lot of you because I don't know anything about dirt bikes. I've been riding down the street my whole life. So if you guys want to come over to the other channel and watch me go through the struggles of learning how to ride a dirt bike, by all means, you're invited. Link in the description of this video. I know you probably can't see with the GoPro, but there's the Mansion Hilltop. Chew. All right, I'm getting close to Baker X Derek's, so I'm gonna time warp till after we pick him up so I don't give away his locations. Time warp. Look who we have. Oh, makes this motherfucker. What is going on here, you motherfucker? Thing. Come on, you motherfucker. You. Good to see you, buddy, dude. It's been a while, dude. It's been way too long. X, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go get some food?
We're going to a place that's perfect for a hot day where you get a hot ass lava rock put in front of you.
So it's 100 degrees out and you want to put a hot lava rock in front of me?
Yep, we're gonna eat some bombs.
Sounds good.
So the people at home, what do you do if you're a random person and you're like, hey, there's Delinquent, what do you do?
Sometimes I do that, and then sometimes I really throw you off and I'll do this. No, not that.
Oh, good. Backhand you.
Where are we going? Just down the road?
Yeah, it's about 2 clicks that way and about 2 clicks of a click that way.
Well, let's eat. I'm starving, man. Derek is telling me it's been like 10 months since we've ridden together. That's way too long. That's not good. Derek and I haven't ridden together in so long that a lot of you guys think that there's a problem or issues between us. There's really not even a little bit. It's just we live like an hour away from each other. I'll make sure it's not a long time again before we get together. One of these days we'll try to get R.S.M involved too. I'll race you to the shadow. You're kind of crooked though. We're gonna... Damn it. You beat me. Is this it? Hell are we? Haha, Derek's lost. It's usually me. Not today. This place looks legit. Cha-Cha's Tacos? Man, I might have to come back for this one. Anybody that's ever stopped at Cha-Cha's Tacos in Redlands, let me know. I don't know, you want it? The thing's made its rounds for sure. All right, Derek, white line. I don't even know if he tried. I don't think he tried. I locked my front wheel up, man. Sizzler. Dude, I like Sizzler. I like Denny's too. It smells good down here. Rok N Fondue, man. That place was so good. Thanks for bringing me here. It's 100 degrees out and we're cooking on lava rocks and I'm happy. What did you get? You got the...
I got filet mignon, scallops, and shrimp.
So you did a surf and turf deal.
Surf and turf.
I got the sirloin, man. You can never go wrong with the sirloin. I loved it. However, for everything we got, it was $70.
With water.
I probably wouldn't come back just for the sake of it. This is definitely a special occasion spot.
I wanted to take you for the experience. So
I appreciate it. I liked it. I liked it. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Get over to Baker X Derek's channel. Check out what he's got to offer. So he's got some fun stuff there. Make sure when you get a chance, check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, law offices of Henry Haddad and Voss Helmets. Get that Delinquent Edition helmet. Big shout out to all the Patreons, man. You guys make it all worth it. You know, the support that we get from those Patreons, it feels good. Thank you guys. You guys make all the difference in the world. And I'll catch you guys later. So this video got all messed up, man. I'm having all kinds of GoPro issues, so I'm sorry if this video doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I'm doing my best. Also, inside the restaurant, I couldn't really film that much because it was so dark. Plus, Derek doesn't show his face, and neither do I, so we were just all kinds of disadvantages today. The roads in San Bernardino are junk. So if I sound a little different or things look a little different, let me tell you why. I'm wearing the new Voss helmet, the 989. So this is kind of my test run. Let me know what you guys think, man. Does this sound better?